Hello students, today I am going to teach you about polynomial, the second chapter of class 9. In this section, we will define terms like algebraic expression, degree of polynomials, coefficient and terms of polynomial, and types of polynomials on the basis of degree. Polynomials. Main points of the topic. Main points of the topic. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Second, polynomial. Second, polynomial. Third, degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomials. Third, fourth, coefficient and terms of polynomials. Coefficient and terms of polynomial. Fifth, types of polynomials on the basis of terms. On the basis of terms. Sixth, types of polynomials on the basis of degree. Types of polynomial on the basis of degree. So main points of the topic I written. First is algebraic expression, second is polynomial, third is degree of polynomials, fourth, coefficient and terms of polynomials, fifth, types of polynomials on the basis of terms, and sixth, types of polynomial on basis of degree. Now one by one I will explain. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, a combination of variables and constants with fundamental operations of maths. A combination of variables and constants with fundamental operation of maths is called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. For example, 3x cubed plus 7x plus 8. This is algebraic expression. Here x is variable and 3, 7 and 8. These are constant terms. algebraic expression an algebraic expression in which the power of variable variables must be positive integer. Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the power of variables must be positive. I mentioned must be positive. For example, 4x cubed plus 7x square plus 8x minus 7. Here variable is x and the power of first term is 3, power of second term is 2 and power of fourth term is 1. So this is not negative and not rational. I told to you the power of variables must be positive integer, not negative, not rational. Another example, 4 root x plus 9. Here variable is x, but power of variable is in root. It means 4x raised the power 1 by 2 plus 9, because you know value of root is 1 by 2. If I will remove this root, so I will write like this, 4x raised the power 1 by 2 plus 9. So power of variable is rational. So this is not polynomial. I hope all have understood what is polynomial. Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the power of variable must be positive integer, not negative, not rational. Have you understood? Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial, the highest power of polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. For example, 9x cubed plus 8x square plus 6x plus 5. This is polynomial because here power of variable is positive integer, not negative, not rational. Now in this polynomial, the power of first term is 3, highest power. The power of second term is 2. The power of third term is 1. So highest power in this expression, in this polynomial is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of the polynomial is 3. The highest power of first term is 3, power of second term is 2, power of third term is 1. So highest is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Next, coefficient and terms of polynomials. Coefficients and terms of polynomial. Seven x raised the power 4 plus 8x cubed minus 7x square plus 9x minus 2. This is polynomial. One thing keep in your mind, addition and subtraction makes terms. Division and multiplication will not make terms. Only addition and subtraction, plus or minus, will make terms. So this polynomial contains 5 terms. Only addition and subtraction make terms. Division and multiplication will not make terms. For example, 4x square divided by x. If I will simplify it, so it will be 4x square divided by x. Here you can use law of exponents. Bases are same and divide it, then subtract their power. So 4x square minus 1. So it will be 4x. Only one term. So division and multiplication similarly. If I multiply 4x square by x, so result will be 4x cube. So it will be only one term. If division and multiplications are there, so we will get only one term, not many terms. So only addition and subtraction makes terms. Next, coefficient of polynomial. 4x cube plus 7x square minus 9. This is polynomial. Here 4 and 7 are coefficients of polynomial. In simple way, you can explain like this. The multiples which are multiplied with the variables are called coefficient. Here x is variable. 4 is multiplied with x cube and 7 is multiplied with x square. So coefficient of the polynomials are 4 and 7. This is all for today. The remaining parts we will explain in next discussion.